Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope that you all are doing great out there. If you want to see how the gel from the last video I had wore, this is how you can see. And this is with a little birdie picking at it and everything. And this is with Modelones top coat. I filmed the last video probably 3 or 4 days before it posted. So take a look at the last video to see what I'm talking about and how I did these cool nails. These are like my 4th of July nails late. Anyways, today I have a great product sent to me by Modelones. Usually I do Modelones.com items. This may come on their website that ships globally soon, but I'm not sure. If it does, I'll put the link down below and you can use my code NOI15, or the link that I'll put will apply the code automatically and save you 15%. However, currently it's only on Amazon, and I'll have the US link down below. Click that, it'll help me out tremendously. And this is what the set looks like. It's a huge set, 20-piece set of 7ml bottles. Well, it's a 7ml and 3 pieces of 10ml, so we'll see. In here, I'm not going to swatch all 20. That would just take forever and bore you. I'm going to probably swatch half or a little less than half, but we'll see. So the lid you just pop this up. There was a special thing to hold it in so it doesn't come out. They have one of their cool logos. Moments to shine, inspire your color life, Modelones. And this is the gorgeous kit. Look, it has base coat that you apply before you apply any of the other gels, and the matte or the glossy top coat that you put on afterwards. Their top coats are always no wipe as far as I've ever seen. They have they have a 3-piece little set here. One is with the smallest dotting tool I've ever seen. That is cool. Maybe we'll use that. Maybe I'm definitely going to be using these gels later on. So I'll be saying look up here for the link or to the video. They've got some stickers. From my experience so far, their stickers have worked very, very well. It's even wrapped up in this nice plastic so that it won't get damaged. It has your whole user manual, contact information, so you can contact Modelones and all that good stuff. I was curious about what this was. It has gold leaf and silver leaf. It has some fine gold glitter, some awesome glitter. This is what I mixed when I did my purple fade nails. I mixed into their gel. I'll link that video up above. They have some gorgeous green, blue hexy glitter with, microscopic glitters. They've got some cute glitters mixes with flowers, I believe, in it. That's really cool. The camera is probably going nuts about that. I'm going to swatch onto nail rings, so we'll probably use that in another video. I'm just going to show you some of the colors, since some are, in the same range of colors, but they're all different, I believe. Well, they're all different because they got a different name on it, right? And these are 7ml bottles, and their new bottles, the little see-through. I would keep these out of light. I'm going to store them right in this box. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first set of colors that are closest in range to each other is 0769 and 0286. These are the colors. You can already tell right through the bottle that they're different. Very, very different. So I figured I would just swatch some that are close in range so you can see them. And they really went on so smooth. I believe they said this is an updated formula, and I believe these are also sold individually at Modelones.com. I'll put a link to that page down below. Look at that coverage. Look at that coverage with one coat. But of course, if you're wearing them, always do 2 coats. It's just better for you. So look at that. It would make an awesome fade into each other right there. Gradient, So this is 0315. The brush is really nice. The color glides on smooth, and I don't even have a base coat on. These sticks, they're just swatching on so smooth. And if you have any trouble, just let gel set for a minute. I don't think I'm going to do a second coat because they're swatching out so beautifully. So let me put the green next to the yellow so you can just have something to compare it to. I mean, there's even, I believe, a pure black and a pure white in here. So this is 0697. I have several green lovers out there, like NEQ57, and my first ever shout out was from K Lilia. They both have channels here on YouTube. This one doesn't seem to be quite of a cream. It's kind of like in between, you know, like not a jelly, not a cream, a crelly, I guess people call it. So this one will get a second coat just so that you can see the full effect as you're supposed to wear them. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the browns and reds right now. This is 0681, a lovely brown, like chocolate, branches, tree bark. And I am going to show them all in glossy and with their matte top coat. I will probably try to do at least one matte top coat and one glossy on camera. This is their color. This is the darkest red in the color in this collection. And I don't know if I ever told you this was called Miss Hawaiian. That's really cool. 1022. Look at this rich, almost a burgundy. It's so beautiful. 0845, great for strawberries and cherries, or just some uber sexy nails. So you can see there's a big difference in those colors. And then I'm going to do one that's close in the range. It's a purple, 0172. At least, you know, you can tell from here and here. Seems that they're doing a wide variety of colors and ones that coordinate with each other. They're doing quite well. Coat in one coat as well. And you can see they're all very, very different. So far, there's not a single one I've seen that is close to one another. 0825, because pinks coordinate with reds, right? This is the very, very pale pink, like a bridal pink, very, very light and delicate. So we're gonna try it with 0117. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous little, it's not quite a Barbie pink, but it is a gorgeous girly pink. A little bit of, like, is that bluish undertones to it? I'm not sure, but it is gorgeous. Well, I have my first 5 on a swatch stick, so I'm gonna cure these. You just stick them in your lamp and turn the light on for 30 seconds. And I'm gonna show the last pink at all that I can see in the collection and see how much different this is. 1066. Look at this. It's totally different. There's no duplicates that I can tell in this set. So far, only that one green has needed 2 coats. Oh, I love that. That is so beautiful. Okay, now on to kind of the basic black and white that you need for any really contrasting nail art. This is a pure white and a pure black. I did both of those in one coat. And you do black and white in very thin coats, and they cure just fine. They've been sitting here. And the white is 0555, the black is 0781. They are about as pure in those colors as you possibly can get. And now what would be like the mixture of the two is their gray, 0612. That's a stunning color. Grays and pinks are hot sellers. There's 4 in the blue range, but as you can see, they're all gonna be so different. I've only pre-swatched 1, and this is 0861. It's the next to the darkest of the 4. This is the lightest. This is 1104. Oh yeah, these gels, I forgot to mention, these gels are Inspired Gel. That's their new line of gels with this formulation. I will put the link down below to Model One's Inspired Gel page, and you can look at all the different, you can buy them single, you can buy them in groups, and you can buy them straight from Model One's. and they can ship it to any country in the world that I know of. Of course, now my phone decides to ring, but it's just going to have to go to voicemail. I accidentally dropped this bottle, so I got a little bit of bubbles in there. I had just dropped the bottle. It's 1063. Look at that. How gorgeous. And the final blue in the collection is their darkest blue, at least that's what it seems like. Ooh, that is a deep blue. It's darker than what I'm wearing. In the next video, I think I'm going to be redoing my nails, I believe, in the next video. And I'm going to use a couple colors from this collection. And if I haven't swatched a color that you want to see swatched, let me know and I'll swatch it. I may just try to do my first ever short video. So let me give these a cure, and I'm going to do those 2 glitter colors. Okay, I've got the 2 glitter colors. At least they really look like glitter through there. Look at that. Ooh. 0827 and 0787 for the gold. Silver and gold it looks like. And I'm getting my first glimpse of it. Oh my goodness. Now this, I assume these are going to look awesome at Christmas too. Great accents. So these are clear based, but with a lot of glitter power. I'm going to see how they will do with one coat. I didn't quite have my brush loaded. Oh, you could get by with 1 coat, but I think 2 would be appropriate for anywhere. This is 0787. I was opening it right off the camera. Oh my gosh. Yes, this would make a great silver and gold Christmas. Oh. Because this one has like a little light gold in it. I'm going to do this one with 2 coats just so that you can see the effects. Oh, I love that. And I am going to even try to matte out glitter. I don't normally do that, but I'm going to do that. So let me get these all cured and I'll glossy top coat them. Okay, on the gold glitter, I want you to see the second coat because this is like amazing. So let's just wipe it on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Of course, if your nails, you would cap your free edge and everything. Look at that gorgeousness. You could have a lighter gold look without even dry brushing, or a stronger gold glitter look. I believe, and glitter and gold and silver seem to go with everything, right? Oh, it's just so beautiful. So let me give this a cure and a top coat. Okay, everyone, here's all 20 gorgeous colors, all in their glossy top coat, like this. In a minute, I'll put them all in their matte top coat. Remember, pictures will be at the end of the video. There may be a birdie video in there. I don't know. They're here like going crazy around me right at the moment. Now this is the shiny. I forgot to show you how great consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. Love it. This is their matte. Matte, I don't know. The non-shiny top coat. I'm going to take a couple dark, a couple light. I think these would be a good representative, but all of these will be in pictures at the end of the video. And it's going to look glossy until it goes in the lamp. And if you watch with a no white matte top coat, when you put them in the lamp, they will come out matte, and it's like magic watching them in the lamp. Sorry for any interruptions in this video, or if I'm repeating myself. My little feather babies are not getting along today. They're molting and they're just having a rough time. And you know, the little boys trying to get into my little girl stuff. My little girl's almost 12. She's kind of set in her ways about things. My little boy, you know, he's just learned to fly this past year. He's wanting to investigate the world. If my little mama doesn't agree, well, she doesn't agree. I'm gonna put these in the lamp for 30 seconds. That's all I've been carrying everything for in the lamp that I show, and I have linked down below. Okay, these are all 20 beautiful colors using Modelones matte top coat. Stunningly different, exciting. They feel like velvet. I've never done a glitter before that I remember. This is just so unique to me to see this. So I'm going to take a picture of these again. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. I really appreciate every minute you watch. Leave a comment down below. Do you like glossy or matted out better? Let me know. Stay tuned for photos at the end. There may be some birdie videos or pictures, so always stay tuned to check those out as well. Thank you everyone. Link to purchase at Amazon in the US is down below. There's other versions of this set with different colors. Check them all out. Just use the link below. It'll take you straight to the page, and it'll give me a little credit so that I can purchase more wonderful products for you. Thank you. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.